You may have used Nyalox products in the past to clean up oxidation or sticky residue on wood, metal, or plastic, but did you know that Nyalox also works great for cleaning and preparing to repoint brickwork? As you can see here, our 3-inch cup brush makes short work of years of accumulated dirt and grime. This contractor is using our orange or 120 grit cup brush with a 5/8 11 thread that spins right onto his angle grinder. If your brickwork is in even worse shape than what you see in this video, don't worry. Just reach for our gray or 80 grit cup brush and get it done fast. Nyalox is also available in blue 240 grit and white, which is not abrasive. Nyalox can be purchased in a wide variety of cup brushes, wheel brushes, end brushes, and more, so that you'll always have the perfect tool for your job. Visit our website at dicoproducts.com for more information or to order yours today.